I got the Logitech MX Master 3. We unboxed it right now. Okay, so this is the box. Alright, let's see what's inside. I have no idea what's inside myself. We are going to discover this together. Let me use this. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, so we have the mouse itself here. The mouse. That's the mouse here. And this, the USB connector, you know, in case, I don't know, maybe you don't have time to activate Bluetooth or something like that. We can also connect the mouse to a device with this thing. And what else? Let's see. Oh, here we have information about the mouse itself. Okay, then the cable, USB-C cable. Great, that can be used to charge the mouse or to connect the mouse to the device directly. And let's see, I think that's it. There's nothing else inside, I guess. Even here, they said that inside you have the mouse itself. This is it, the connector here, the cable, and the notice, the papers about information. So that's all we got, guys. That's it for the unboxing of the MX Master 3. This is it. Very great mouse. Very great mouse. The feeling is amazing. With several buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we also have the button for the switching between Bluetooth devices here. So yeah, that's it.